Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Travel Outbound. Scuba was always on our bucket list, and finally we were able to enjoy this activity. We booked the scuba activity from Barefoot, and it costed us around 5,000 rupees, which includes photos and videos. We went for the scuba activity around 6 am in the morning. The cab picked us from our resort, and we were given 20 minutes training before we went for the dive. You all must have seen Finding Nemo movie. We found it here, and it was very playful. अनुज was bit by a damselfish, and later हमारे स्कूबा इंस्ट्रक्टर ने बताया कि वो फिश एकदम से संकी है. If you try to go near its area, it will bite. Here in Havelock, you would get one scuba instructor per person who would always be besides you and will help you in case of any issues. Scuba activity is also available in Neil Island. You can try there as well. This scuba activity took around 2 to 3 hours, post which we had our breakfast and went to the ferry point where we took a boat to Elephant Beach. This activity was included in our package, so we didn't have to pay there. The ferry takes around 15 to 30 minutes to reach Elephant Beach from Havelock Ferry Point. There are many activities available here in Elephant Beach, such as sea walk, jet ski, snorkeling, glass boat ride, and you can pay for them on the spot as well as at the ferry point where you get the tickets. This beach is ideal for relaxation and swimming. This is a crab with shell, also called as hermit crabs. Be careful, if they are big in size, they might bite you. We got a complimentary snorkeling of 5 minutes with the ferry ticket. However, if you want to go for 15 to 20 minutes snorkeling session, you need to pay an additional 1,000 rupees per adult. We really enjoyed this activity. For snorkeling, there would be a dedicated instructor who would be going along with you, just as in scuba activity. They have ropes tied around a floatable tire, and we just have to hold that and the instructor will take you around. You can enjoy swimming here as well, as it's a calm beach. Don't worry about your cell phones and belongings, as they provide locker facilities for 100 rupees. As we had already done sea walk and glass boat ride in Mauritius, we skipped those activities here. You can certainly try these activities if you haven't done already. Do check our previous Mauritius video for more information. We spent around 3 hours at Elephant Beach, and make sure you remember your boat name as you need to go back in the same boat. Our cab was waiting for us at the ferry point, and we went to Radhanagar beach directly from here, which took us around 20 minutes. We would recommend you to reach here by 3 pm and leave after sunset. Don't forget to carry a beach towel or an old bedsheet so that you can relax on the beach. Carrying a sunscreen lotion, a pair of flip-flops, quick drying towel, and plenty of water is also recommended. There are a lot of huts, benches scattered around the beaches along with the tall trees that give you a place to relax. Take in the beauty and unwind with some snacks and drinks. Radhanagar beach is regarded as the best beach in India. It is a pristine stretch of sand backed by turquoise water and lush forest. Radhanagar beach is commonly called as beach number 7. Lifeguards are stationed near the beach during opening hours who constantly surveil the area, so you can easily get help in case of any mishaps. The governing authorities are strict and alcohol usage on the beach is prohibited. You can, however, visit resorts and bars located near the beach and enjoy a few drinks with your friends. This beach is so beautiful that you can actually think of getting some package for photo shoot at this pristine beach starting from rupees 5,000, as this beach offers magnificent backdrop. Look at these fancy designs. These designs are made by small crabs which are everywhere on the beach. Look at the spectacular sunset. It was just mesmerizing. And guys, don't forget to like and comment, and please subscribe if you haven't done it already.